Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick segment. On today's segment, we're out in the Detroit area at a resident's home, and we're in the front yard, and we're here to remove a old light pole. The light pole that used to be in the yards at some time ago, and I guess they didn't want the light pole anymore because it become cumbersome and it's in the way. But let's show you that now. Okay, as you can see, here's our light pole right there, right ahead of us. So we will be removing this light pole. Now, to remove our light pole, we're going to use our Sawzall, and we're also going to use our DEWALT bimetal blade. And it's rated for thick metal. So we're going to attach this and we're going to begin cutting that. Let's do that now. Okay, now on the Sawzall, all we're going to do is unlock this feature here, the arm that makes it able for us to slide the blade either straight in like this or at an angle as such. But we're going to put it in straight like that to secure the blade in place. We're going to pull up on the lever, make sure the blade is flush. It's going to drop in place as it did. Now let's bring that lever down, and that blade is locked in place. Now we're going to get in place and cut this light pole. Okay, this is gonna be loud, and we're gonna start now as such. And just like that, our pole comes down. And we're gonna flush that cut. Easy peasy. Now, as you can see, the pole is removed. The line is cut. Yes, the line was disconnected some time ago. So now we have that. We'll simply put in some dirt, flush that over. Let's get rid of this pole now. Now with our light pole removed, the yard looks that much better. Let's show you how that looks now. Now you can see our ground is level. The grass is looking nice and manicured. Our bushes are manicured. And our homeowner is going to be happy that that cumbersome pole is out of the way. And how was it cumbersome? Sometimes when the pole became cumbersome because sometimes when they would bring a carload and be bringing groceries out and back and forth, the pole would be in the way. Also, there was a problem with bees using the pole as a nesting area, also wasp. So that was a problem. Now that's a problem that's solved. And if you have something like this in your backyard, you can also do the same steps. It didn't take anything but 5 minutes at best. With that being said, I'm Michael, your handyman. Please continue to like and subscribe. And as always, be safe, think safe, and see you on the next job. Talk to you later.